In the IBM Accessibility Design Kit, under Guidance, you can find a checklist for content, UX, or visual design. Use this checklist to find accessibility tasks needed for your design. For this demo, we will pull up the content checklist. Let's say you want to make sure headings are implemented accessibly. Under Guidance, Content again, Examples, you can find bite-sized guidance for headings as well as other tasks. You can place this guidance next to your artboard for quick reference. Want to see how headings are annotated on a hi-fi design? You can go under Handoff Annotations, Examples, and find Headings. You can find examples of how the provided annotation assets are used in this kit. This headings example shows H1 and H2 annotations. Now, let's apply what you've learned and annotate the headings. Under Handoff Annotations, Assets, Headings, you will find a dark or light mode. You can annotate headings using the provided library of assets. You can copy and paste the assets and modify the assets as needed for your design in the Override panel, going from dark mode to light mode, and changing H1 to H2. Now your developers will know how they should implement the headings.